For generations, Mennonites only lived in Europe, North America, and Latin America. Almost all of them shared a Swiss, German, or Dutch heritage. Things began to change in the mid-20th century as the Mennonites traveled around the globe to do missions, as well as relief and development work.
Projects for Mennonite Central Committee, which sponsors development and peace-building internationally, have taken North American Mennonites all over the world. Living in places such as Vietnam, Botswana, and India, Mennonites experienced entirely new food cultures and brought them back to their communities in North America.
Mennonite cookbooks changed as a result. Published in 1991, Extending the Table features recipes from around the world. There are soups from Guatemala, noodle dishes from Thailand, curries from Kenya, and pastries from the West Bank. It's not unusual to see dishes from this cookbook at church potlucks or on dinner tables in Mennonite homes.
Mennonite cuisine has expanded not only from North Americans going abroad, but also from people around the world joining the Mennonite Church. In 1943, there were nearly 480,000 Mennonites around the world. All but a few lived in North America, Holland, and Russia. The church still reflected its early roots in Europe.
Since then, things have changed dramatically. Missions to Africa, especially in the Congo, began to see an increase in numbers. Later, the Mennonite Church grew rapidly in Ethiopia. As of 2015, there are more than 250,000 Mennonites there and more than 700,000 across the African continent. There are now also substantial Mennonite populations in India and Indonesia.
Austin Mennonite Church reflects this globalizing trend. Several people in the congregation are from Belize. They became Mennonites prior to immigrating to the United States. Take, for instance, Dama Torres. Dama has 6 children, most of whom also attend Austin Mennonite. She and her husband Ted operate a landscaping business. Dama is also a great cook. I asked Dalma what meals were like in her church in Belize.
I would say we would cook rice and beans, which is the main food or the food that we eat in Belize, and that was the main dish there.
What would you
Rice and
have on a
beans.
special day?
We would have tamales, escabeche, relleno.
Dalma sometimes brings Belizean dishes to potlucks at Austin Mennonite. I asked her what she enjoys about these events.
I think the best thing I like is the community, the friendship we have, and the fellowship, and I'm sharing to what we know.
Thanks so much for being willing to talk to us.
You're welcome.
As you can see, Mennonite cooking is more than borscht and whoopie pies. It now includes tamales and curries. Our next set of bakers have tried to reflect this new reality. We hope you enjoy.